day, everybody. This is me, Simon. So, today we'll be looking at how to create a free website on Canva. So, you go to Canva homepage, type in website. You want to select the first website because this is will make a website optimized for mobile as well. Whereas if you select just a website, it will not be optimized for mobile. You know, once your website is not optimized for mobile, it will not get much traffic because a lot of people use mobile to surf the internet these days. So we'll click mobile first website. Then you have lots of different templates. You can choose to create one from blank, or you can choose a pre-existing template and use that one. Let's pick this particular template. So here you can see on the left side panel you see the three different pages. Of course you can do more pages, but just to show you the number of templates that you can add, or you can go select a template that has more than three pages depending on your needs or desires. So you can come here. Let's say your website is on food, so keeping you healthy at home. So you can decide to say okay. So let's say you want to change it. Let's say keeping you healthy anywhere. So you might want to reduce the size so that, okay, that's better. So this pickup and home delivery now available. So if you want to do that, it's good as well. Put in the other. Now you can as well decide to change the color. So let's say you want to make it now just change the color tone. And then there's the picture. So let's say you want to change the picture. So you come here, click photos. And since you're talking about healthy eating, so you can say vegetables, or let's like fruits and vegetables. Now, lots of pictures here. You can look at what will give you space, the content, something that will not take up space. So if you were to bring this one, so you can decide to maybe shift it a bit to create more space. Okay, click done. Then you can see now that you definitely need something to make this thing stand out. So since we have a little studio, so we can decide to maybe so we can decide to pick that up a bit. Now make me darken pickup available. So pickup available. It's home and it's clear. I think you can see the bottom of this place here. So it's order now. So it's kind of it's good. So now you've done this, you can add any other details, maybe phone number, something, or the pictures, or put yourself picture of yourself, however you want it. Then you go to the next page, learn more about us. So what's written here, you can just put in what it is. It's a blog on healthy eating. So wellness blog tailor-made for serial Instagram scrollers, seeing gorgeous photos of healthy meals are just as exciting as making them. You can coin it, make it more suitable for your own business. So I can say a blog centered on wellness, which can be achieved from healthy eating, healthy food, you post pictures of healthy foods for you to try, to go through. For you to purchase at affordable prices. So you can just put that there. You can, if that doesn't suit you, the color doesn't suit you, and you want to change it, you can change it to something else. Say maybe orange. And then you want to change so you can still zoom in. Then you can come here and if you want to change the color maybe to something like a bit more fanciful, then you can zoom out. There it is. And you can come to the third page. If you're into online classes or whatever it is you offer, webinar, events, just as it's written here, you can now put yours. Say join our online classes, sign up for classes with Chef. Let's say Chef Simon. Learn how to make delicious and healthy snacks at home, which is the value companies bring in. Now try out new recipes for healthier, happier you. Now you can change all this to suit yourself. It must not be this exact same. So it is recommended that you change these documents to suit yourself. So you can as well decide to type anything you want, make any changes, or you can go to photos, make pictures. Then you can come to styles for some finishing touches to maybe just make some changes. Yeah, you can change it to this. If you don't like it, you can do something else. No, it's too bright red. It's too much. No, not good. Yeah, maybe something like this is better. Now remember, whatever style you choose, you need to apply it to all the different pages of your website. So if you come here as well, you click this, healthy eating anywhere, assuming this is what you like. And once you are done adding any extra things like audios, elements to make it look nicer, and then you click publish website. Now it will show you how it looks, and this is how the three pages look. Then you can definitely choose this type, and you definitely want scrolling type, because especially if it's on website desktop, which is best so the audience can scroll through. So you select the scrolling type, website is done, then you click open website. It will open it on a fresh page where you see, like you're seeing right now. My internet right now is kind of slow, but it's supposed to load up exactly how it shows. So let me refresh. Yes, here we are. So this is how it's showing. Now you can always keep tweaking and changing to suit your needs or desires, so you can keep popping in and out of the editing tool. Now once you're done, if you want to share your websites to your audience or on your Instagram social media accounts, you can click this, copy this link and paste it in your bios so that your audience can link in and take a look at your website. Now it's free, so you don't need to pay anything to be able to achieve that. So if you enjoyed this video, put a comment, a like, or if there's any other thing that you would like us to teach you on how to achieve or go about doing it, leave it in the comment section, and if we can, we'll get right to it. So thank you once again, and goodbye.